This seems a dicey moment for the beachmaster to leave the safety of the water. But another disturbance has caught his eye. The beachmaster's goal, a dead buffalo.
Danger is never far away. Elephants actively seek out the only predator that kills their calves. Revenge is sweet, and cubs are an easy target. The lioness is powerless to reach her cubs, so now they're on their own. But even an adult lion needs to know when to run. Overwhelming force, her only choice is retreat. If she was wounded, her cubs would die. It's best she hides and finds them later.